So in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can order a domain through cloudhosting.com.bd. For that you need to go to the domain menu and you will see a sub menu called register. After coming here, let's type our domain name dailykitesbd.com and then click on search button. After clicking over here, if you are already logged in, then it will not ask you to log in or like create account. So it is just taking me here, so I'm just clicking on add to cart. It will take like few seconds to as you can see that continue button just popped up. Let's click on it. Then I was trying to order a domain previously. I'm just canceling it, so I'm gonna go with the dailykitesbd.com. Then let's go down. If you're already logged in, then you will see this kind of interface. If you're not logged in, then it will ask you to log in, or it will show you to the create a new account, but I've already logged in, so it will not ask me that. So after just scrolling down, okay, all are well, so we just need to click on I have read and agree to the terms of services. Now check out. It will take you to the payment gateway. I'm using here Bkash. You just need to put your Bkash number. Mine one is, then I'll be getting an OTP. So I'm not gonna totally do this because this is a demo order, so that you will know that how to order a domain. So I'm canceling it for now because I have already a domain name over here. If I go to the dashboard, then you can see that I have already a domain registered called atibazar.co. So thanks for watching this video.